Friends, today we learn some algebra trick. We know this basic is x equal to x square so it's mean x, so x square equal to 2 plus x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x to x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2 or minus 1. So you always take the positive number, x equal to 2. This is the basic, but we don't do it. We just remind one formula. The formula is root 4a plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. This is the basic formula which we remind for all square root infinite series question. So root 4a plus 1. A means 2. So root 4 into 2 means 8 plus 1. So equal to root 9 plus 1 by 2. So root 9 means 3. So 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. And here also we got the result 2. And also one do 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. And the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. So we take the higher part because here the plus. So the 2 is the answer. So we do it in 3 process. Number 1, the original process. Number 2, this formula is applicable for all. But this formula, 2 if any number is divisible by 2 number, which difference is 1. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 and the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. 6. Suppose here given 6. 6 is divisible by 3 and 2 and the difference between 3 and 2 is 1. So we take the higher part means 3. So 3 is the answer. If here given root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6. So the answer is 3. And here root 2 minus root 2 minus root 2. So whenever there is negative, we use the formula root 4a plus 1 minus 1 by 2. We use this formula. How we get the result? Here always remind here minus and here plus. How we get the result? A means 2. So 4 into 2 means 8. So 8 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So root 9 minus 1 by 2. So root 9 means 3. So 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. And here which one is the lower part? Means if 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 and the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. So we take the lower part. Whenever the sign is negative, we take the lower part. So here the answer is 1. Here also 1. Next, suppose root 12 plus root 12. We know 12 is divisible by 3 and 4 and the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. So we take the higher part means 4 is the answer. We also do it the formula means root 4a plus 1 by 2 means root a equal to here 12. So root 48 plus 1 by 2. So root 49 plus 1 by 2 means 7 plus 1 by 2 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So 4 is the answer and here we get the 4 is the answer. And here root 12 minus root 12 minus root 12. So here also the lower part is the answer. Means 12 is divisible by 3 and 4 and the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. So we take the lower part. So 3 is the answer. And if we take it as formula root 4a plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So root 49 minus 1 by 2. So 7 minus 1 by 2. 6 by 2 equal to 3. So 3 is the answer. Okay friend. Next question. If there is given multiplication root 7 into root 7 into root 7 into root 7. what is the value given under root? This is the answer. Means the answer is 7. And here we count. 4 7 is there. Here infinity, so we take the answer 7. But here root 7, root 7, root 7. Here 4 7 is given. So use that formula. 7 equal to 7 into 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Here n 4 because n equal to 4. Because here 4 7 are there. So n equal to 4. To the power 7 to the power 16 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 means 16. So equal to 7 to the power 15 by 16. So 7 to the power 15 by 16 is the answer. And when there is infinite series, just take the under root digit. It's 7. 7 is the answer. Okay. Now we learn one trick. Another trick. X to the power 99 plus 1 by x to the power 99 equal to 11 given. How we find x to the power 99 minus 1 by x to the power 99? We don't see here 99 or 126 or 129. We don't see it. We just remind it means root whatever digit is given plus just square means 11 square minus 4 means root 121 minus 4 equal to root 117 is the answer. Here plus is given, so we minus, and here minus is given, we plus, means root, what is the answer? Here the value say k. Here n given or 200 given or 500 given, we don't care. Just here the value is k and here given plus. So the answer is k square plus 4. Always plus 4 or minus 4. Whenever minus is given, we minus 4. Whenever plus is given, we plus 4. Next question. X to the power 136 minus 1 by x to the power 136 equal to 7. Then find the value of x to the power 136 plus 1 by x to the power 136. What is the value? Just here 7. So root 7 square. Here plus 7 square plus 4 means root over 49 plus 4 equal to root over 53. So 53 is the answer.